as we have landed property here for sale in Urban Prime 4, we also have in Urban Prime 3 Phase 2. I will turn you down to Urban Prime 3 now. It's on the same Ogombo road here. So I will turn you down now so that you can see where Urban Prime 3 Annex is. So, and you can get a landed property there. So let me get there. I will tell you everything you're supposed to know there. And from there, you can even buy 200 square meter there. So let's go and see what's happening in Urban Prime 3. So let's go. So we're on our way to Urban Prime 3 now. So just left Urban Prime 4. So, and this is Etiosa Maternal and Child Center by Lagos State. So let's drive down to Urban Prime 3. So you can get a landed property there too. So let's go. I'll just show you some of the estates here. We have iLife Estates. So iLife Estates to the developed place. People are living there. So beside it we have Greater School. So it's a school, one of the school here on this Ogombo road. And beside the school we have Inoyo Estate by ExxonMobil. And to my right hand side here, this is Lekki Scheme 2. We have a lot of estates in Lekki Scheme 2. A lot of building there is ongoing there. So to my left hand side back here, this is Ajah Mall. This is the mall that is coming here. So if you've not seen my video on Ajah Mall, you need to see it right away. So this is Ajah Mall, and beside Ajah Mall we have a Chaplain's Court. It's an estate too that is on this Ogombo road. So this is another way to Lekki Scheme 2. And here we have our Urban Prime 1 and 2. We are driving down to Urban Prime 1 and 2 now so that you can see. So this road is, there are lots of estates on this road. So here is Urban Prime 1. See, check it out. This is Urban Prime 1 and this is Urban Prime 2. So the first, this is the 2. The Urban Prime 1 and Urban Prime 2 is facing each other. So we are still on this road and we are going to Urban Prime 3. So let's go. So you can see that there is a lot of estates on this road. There are lots of estates on this road. So that is why the price keep appreciating. Because last year the price wasn't like this, but look at this year, the price too has really gone up. For people that are key into this estate, last year, I know that you are counting your money now, because I believe not everyone too wants to build there. There are some of my clients want to do investment and they are looking for a good return on investment on their property. So we have a lot of return on investment for you here. Okay, so we are still on this road. We have the filling station and we have some mini shops that they are here on this road. So let's drive down. We are driving down to another estate here. We call it the estate by Penick. So we have the estate here. Let me show you the front so that you can see. People are already living there too. So this is the estate by Penick, and beside it we have Salesville, and we have a lot of estates in this place. So let's go. I'm close to Urban Prime 3 now. So let me move so that you can see where Urban Prime 3 is. And in Urban Prime 3 you can get from 200 square meter. So let's go. This is Ogombo road. Don't forget, immediately when you get to Adesanya, you turn to the right. So where we have Adesanya estate. So this is the road. So if you know the road on Adesanya, so this is Ogombo road. So we have a Citadel View Estate 2.0 on this road. You see, so we have a lot of estate on this road. So if you are looking for a good return on investment, come and invest on this road. if you're looking for buy and build property, you need to get to this road right away. So we are here. This is Urban Prime 3. So we have landed property here for sale. I will park now so we can go in to see, and people are already living in this estate. So okay, so let me park and we can go in. Okay, so this is Urban Prime 3. So as you can see, this place is habitable now. People are already living in this place, and we have landed property here. So see around, you can see that I like the greenery here. This is where your visitors can park and they can just go inside. If you don't want them to park inside, this is another place they can park. Then you can see that the security are there. It was locked. It was because I want to do a video that is open, so people are already living here. So if you're looking for buy and build property where is habitable, Urban Prime 3 is your best bet. And here we have C of O as a title. You can spread for 6 months with no interest. Initial deposit is 50%. I will take you in now. For you can buy from 200 square meter. So this year we have the price is 140,000 per square meter. So if you're buying 200 square meter, you multiply 200 square meter by 140,000. So anything it gives you, that is what you're going to pay. And we have 200, 300, 400, 500. So up to anything you want, 600, 700, 800. You just need to multiply it by 140,000 naira. Then it give you the amount that you pay, and you can do 50% of any square meter you're doing. The amount, let's say 28 million naira, meaning that you will do 40 million initial deposit. That is 50%, and you can spread your payment for 6 months with no interest. So let's go in to really show you what we have here. The security are here, they man this place, and nobody can just enter anyhow. So this is it. So this is it. This is Urban Prime 3. You can see how everywhere is quiet. Look at the greenery. So you see what I'm telling you. This is a very good place to buy and build. You can buy it now and build it. So let me tell you to where the land is so that you can see what you want to buy. So let's go. People, they've already taken possession of their building for people that subscribe, and you can see AC. This is habitable. Yes, we are already living here. So any land you are buying here now, you can start building it. So let's go. So this is Urban Prime 3. So you see, this is what it looks like, and this is the best time to actually key into this. So look at it. So this is it. Let's go. You can see the greenery. I believe you like the greenery, what you're seeing. So let's go. So today is Sunday, and see people, they are working on the site, you see, to make sure that we'll deliver the units that we promise all our clients. But you know, all the buildings are sold out, so we're just selling land here. So 140,000 per square meter. That is what we are doing right away. So let me show you where the land is so that you can see what you want. So you can see towards that side. So that's the landed property that we are selling. So the landed property here, like I said, you can get from 200 square meter. Yes, from 200 square meter here. So multiply 200 square meter by 140,000 naira. So the amount that it gives you, that is the amount we are selling the 200 square meter. Like I said, you can pay 50% down payment and spread your payment for 6 months interest free. My number is showing on the screen. This is Urban Prime 3. Yes, this is where you can buy your land and start building immediately. This place is habitable. People are already living in this place. This is the best time to key into it. My name is Olashile David, and I help people create wealth through real estate. So this is one. So if you want somewhere you can start building immediately, this is it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your bell notification. I will be expecting your call. My number is boldly written on your screen. This is the best time to do that. I'll be expecting your call. Bye.